Hey foodies! Want to know if apple cider vinegar for weight loss actually works? You've seen the headlines, but today I'm giving you the science-backed method I use. Stick around because by the end of this, you'll know exactly how, when, and why to drink it to boost your results. In this video, you'll learn the one ingredient that matters, it's not what you think. The pH secret that blocks weight loss. The 4 real science-backed benefits. My exact recipe and timing for results. Welcome back, foodies. Before we dive into the real science of apple cider vinegar, subscribe if you love turning food into your weight loss ally. Let's bust the biggest myth first: ACV is a vitamin powerhouse. Truth? It's not. But that's okay, because its power comes from one thing: acetic acid. This is the key to everything we'll talk about: digestion, metabolism, and real fat loss support. If you want vitamins, take this. But for weight loss, this bottle is about something else. Here's the game changer most people miss. It's not about being acidic. For many of us, especially when stressed, our systems can become too alkaline. Why does this stop weight loss? An off-balance pH can slow your metabolism, block mineral absorption, and leave you tired and bloated. Acetic acid helps gently restore the optimal balance your body needs to burn fat efficiently. Myth number 2, you should drink it straight. Never do that, it can damage tooth enamel. Always dilute it. So, what does this mean for your journey? 4 proven benefits. 1. Digestion upgrade. ACV can actually help with heartburn because sometimes the issue is not enough stomach acid. Better digestion means better nutrient use. 2. Mineral mobilizer, helps your body access and use crucial minerals like calcium for muscle and metabolism. 3. Protein waste cleanser, essential if you eat high protein. Reduces stiffness, supports your liver. 4. Immune ally, creates an environment where your natural immune function thrives. Okay, theory is great, but how do you actually do this? This is the part most people mess up. They either drink it straight, ouch, or at the wrong time, and then wonder why it doesn't work, or worse, it upsets their stomach. Don't be that person. Instead, I'm going to show you my simple, 3-minute metabolism booster drink. This isn't just ACV in water. We're adding a few key teammates that make it more effective and actually pleasant to drink. Let's build it, step by step. First, take a big glass. We're using about 8 to 12 ounces of water. This dilution is non-negotiable. Pure vinegar is too acidic for your teeth and throat. We're here to help your body, not harm it. Water is our foundation. Next, the star, raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar. See that cloudy stuff? That's the mother. It contains the beneficial enzymes and bacteria. This is what you want. Dosage is critical. Start with just 1 teaspoon. That's plenty. Your goal is consistency, not a huge shock to your system. After a week, if you feel good, you can move up to 2 teaspoons. But never more than that. More is not better here. Now, the flavor and function boosters. 1. A teaspoon of 100% pure, unsweetened cranberry juice. This isn't the sugary cocktail mix. It adds antioxidants and a tart sweetness. 2. A teaspoon of fresh lemon juice. It enhances the flavor and adds vitamin C. 3. A slice of fresh ginger. My favorite part: it aids digestion, adds a little zing, and makes this feel like a real wellness tonic. Stir it gently. And look at that, it's actually a beautiful, appetizing drink. Here is the most important step. When you drink this is everything. You do not drink this first thing in the morning on an empty stomach for weight loss. That's a different trick. For weight loss, you drink this 10 to 15 minutes before your biggest meal of the day, usually lunch or dinner. Why? You're priming your stomach acid and preparing your digestive system. This helps you break down that meal more efficiently, manage blood sugar spikes, and send the I'm full signal to your brain sooner. It turns ACV from a random tonic into a targeted, metabolic tool. Now, here's something crucial: this drink isn't one size fits all. Your body is unique. If you often feel cold, tired, or notice weight sticks on you no matter what you do, you might have what's called a slower, more sluggish metabolism. For you, that teaspoon of cranberry juice? Skip it. It's a slightly cooling ingredient. Your perfect version is just ACV, lemon, ginger, and water. It'll be more warming and supportive for your system. But how do you actually know your type? Guessing leads to frustration. This was the biggest problem my clients faced until I created a simple 60-second metabolism quiz. 3 quick questions, and it tells you exactly which version of this drink is optimized for your body type, cooling with cranberry or warming without it. So now you have everything: the science, the recipe, the timing. You could stop here, make the drink, and see great results. But if you want to shortcut your success, to have a clear 7-day plan, a tracker to follow your progress, and that exact quiz to personalize it all from day one, I've done that work for you. I put it all into a free PDF guide called the ACV Metabolism Protocol. It includes this exact recipe with measurements, a daily tracker sheet for your 1-week challenge, the full metabolism quiz to customize your drink, even a shopping list for everything you need. This isn't a random download, it's your action plan. And over 12,000 people have used it to find their custom method. Now, I know you might have questions like, can I drink this at night? What if I have acid reflux? Which specific brand do you recommend? All those answers are in the guide. I've dedicated a whole FAQ section to the nitty-gritty details so you can feel completely confident. To get it, just click the link below or in the description. It's completely free. It's my way of making sure you get this right. Try the method for 1 week with the guide, and then come back and tell me in the comments, did you notice less bloating? More energy? If this deep dive helped you, please give this video a like, it truly helps others find it. Subscribe and hit the bell for next week, where I'm breaking down the #1 spice that boosts metabolism even more. Stay balanced, foodies. See you next time.